Hey everybody, I'm Jamie and this is Ross from Tait Real Estate, Realty Executive Saskatoon. Welcome to Thirsty Thursday. What are we making today, Ross?
Today we're making the Twisted John Daly.
Twisted John Daly.
Twisted John Daly. So we have to go back a little bit. The history of the John Daly by itself is actually a derivative of the Arnold Palmer. So an Arnold Palmer is basically just iced tea and lemonade mixed together.
Okay.
A gentleman's drink. A John Daly is that plus a shot of vodka.
Okay.
So the Twisted Daly is we're using twisted tea.
Twisted tea. Okay.
With vodka in it.
Okay, so we're gonna go vodka.
About an ounce of vodka. And then a couple shots of lemon juice in each of those. This is a really easy drink you can make when you're out at the lake or if you're camping or in the backyard. It's easy to do. And this is basically it. Then you just top it with
vodka,
twisted tea. Okay. And that. I know I'm gonna like this already.
Yeah, I don't know how,
You're on the fence right now?
No, not at all.
It's gotta be.
Cheers. That's quite good.
It is very refreshing.
Can't go wrong with that one.
You definitely can't, and it's easy to make too. It's super easy, and yet you've kind of added a little extra to it, so it's not just ripping the top off of twisted tea. It's adding some vodka. So I guess it is pretty easy.
Cheers.
Cheers, everyone.